Think with Google and the Primer app present Lightning Lessons, marketing for holidays and special moments. Part 2, making a plan and creating assets. Once you have your list of holidays and special moments, it's time to make a marketing plan. First, map out all your moments on a calendar so it's easy to keep track and prepare for them. Assign each moment one or more business goals, like driving sales or raising brand awareness. Then, think through what kind of materials or assets need to be produced and when. Don't forget that people often research products and deals well before the actual holiday or moment. Consider whether you should add any promotions or sales, and think beyond the obvious. For example, if you're an online business, look at the shipping cutoffs for holidays like Mother's Day and Father's Day, and then plan your promotions accordingly. After you've finished your plan, craft your creative marketing assets. Start with your messaging, which should blend your business goals with your moments. Like a yoga studio driving sales after New Year's Eve by promoting their classes as a way to stick to fitness-related resolutions. Or a hybrid car company raising brand awareness during the spring season by associating their brand with nature and rejuvenation. Also, add calls to action to your marketing assets that encourage people to engage with your brand. Try asking them to follow you on social media or sign up for your emails. Next, make sure your site is mobile-friendly and optimized for search. You don't want your site to crash if you suddenly get a large influx of visitors. Tools like Google Trends can be used to research keywords that are both popular during your moment and relevant to your products. Adjust your search engine marketing and search engine optimization so that your brand appears when these keywords are searched. Finally, after your marketing campaign is complete, assess how well it helped you reach your business goals. What worked well, and what can you improve on next time? For more marketing tips and tutorials, download the Google Primer app or visit thinkwithgoogle.com.